Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Cast.
Hello, everyone. We are happy to see you today.
Today, we are going to learn the present simple tense through a real-life conversation.
That's great. Present simple is one of the most useful tenses in English.
We use present simple to talk about habits, routines, and facts.
Let's learn it through a daily life conversation.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock every morning.
Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I do. I like starting my day early.
What do you do after waking up?
First, I drink a glass of water.
That's a healthy habit.
Then I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do. I usually go for a walk.
How long do you walk?
I walk for about 30 minutes.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee every morning.
Haha, that's true. Many people start their day with coffee.
I definitely do.
What time do you go to work?
I usually leave home at 8 o'clock.
How do you travel to work?
I usually drive my car.
Do you enjoy driving?
Sometimes it depends on the traffic.
That's understandable.
What about you?
I usually take the train.
Do you enjoy reading during your commute?
Yes, I do. I often read books on the train.
That's a great way to use your time.
Thank you.
What do you do at work?
I teach English and help students improve their communication skills.
That sounds interesting.
I enjoy helping people learn.
Do you work every weekday?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually do after work?
I usually read books or spend time with my family.
That's a nice routine.
Let me share a personal example.
Sure, go ahead.
Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. I drink water and prepare breakfast. Then I read a book for 20 minutes. After that, I start my work.
That's a productive morning routine.
Haha, that's true, but sometimes I want to stay in bed longer.
I think everyone feels that way sometimes.
Now, let's learn some useful English phrases.
Great idea.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I drink coffee every morning.
I go to work by car.
I exercise every day.
I read books in the evening.
I spend time with my family.
Let's summarize today's lesson.
We learned how to use the present simple tense.
We use it for habits, routines, and facts.
We also practiced common daily English sentences.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
I go to work by car.
I exercise every day.
I read books in the evening.
I spend time with my family.
Let's summarize today's lesson.
We learned how to use the present simple tense.
We use it for habits, routines, and facts.
We also practiced common daily English sentences.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue learning English together.
Today we are learning the present continuous tense.
Present continuous talks about actions happening right now.
That's correct. Let's learn through a conversation.
What are you doing right now?
I am recording a podcast.
I am talking to you.
And our listeners are learning English.
That's wonderful.
Where are you sitting right now?
I am sitting in my home office.
Are you working today?
Yes, I am working today.
What project are you working on?
I am preparing English lessons.
That sounds interesting.
What are you doing this week?
I am learning new communication skills.
Are you taking any courses?
Yes, I'm taking an online course.
What are you learning?
I am learning public speaking.
That's a valuable skill.
I agree.
Let's imagine we are at a coffee shop.
Okay.
What are people doing around us?
Some people are drinking coffee.
What else?
A few people are working on their laptops.
I see someone reading a book.
And two friends are having a conversation.
Everyone seems busy.
Yes, they are enjoying their time.
What is your family doing right now?
My parents are watching television.
What is your brother doing?
He is studying for an exam.
That's good.
What is your family doing?
My family is preparing dinner.
What are they cooking?
They're making pasta.
That sounds delicious.
Let me share a personal example.
Sure.
Right now, I am improving my English teaching skills. I am reading educational books. I am creating new lessons. I am helping students become more confident.
That's inspiring.
Thank you.
I am also working on improving my communication skills.
That's excellent.
Learning never stops.
Absolutely.
That's true. Sometimes I'm learning while drinking coffee.
That's true. Coffee and learning are a great combination.
I completely agree.
Now let's learn some useful English phrases.
Great.
I am studying English.
I am working from home.
She is reading a book.
They are playing football.
We are learning together.
He is preparing for an exam.
These phrases are very common.
Yes, people use them every day.
Let's summarize today's lesson.
We learned the present continuous tense.
We use it for actions happening right now.
We also practiced real-life examples.
Keep practicing these sentences every day.
Your English will improve step by step.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in part 3.
Goodbye, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are learning the past simple tense.
That's exciting. We use past simple to talk about completed actions in the past.
Exactly. Let's learn through a real-life conversation.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I woke up at 6 o'clock.
What did you do after that?
I exercised for 30 minutes.
That's great.
Then I prepared breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs and toast.
Did you drink coffee?
Yes, I did.
What happened after breakfast?
I went to work.
Was your day busy?
Yes, it was very busy.
What tasks did you complete?
I finished several projects and attended 2 meetings.
That sounds productive.
What did you do yesterday?
I worked from home.
Did you enjoy working from home?
Yes, I did.
What did you do after work?
I watched a movie.
Which movie did you watch?
I watched an action movie.
Did you like it?
Yes, I liked it very much.
That's wonderful.
What did you do last weekend?
I visited my parents.
How was your visit?
It was fantastic.
What activities did you do together?
We cooked dinner and watched movies.
That sounds like a great weekend.
It really was.
Did you travel anywhere recently?
Yes, I visited a nearby city last month.
What did you see there?
I visited museums and historical places.
That sounds interesting.
Let me share a personal example.
Sure.
When I first started learning English, I made many mistakes.
Really?
Yes, I often used the wrong tense.
What happened?
I said, yesterday I go to school.
That's true. Many learners make that mistake.
My teacher corrected me immediately.
What did you learn?
I learned that past simple needs the past form of the verb.
That's an important lesson.
Now let's learn some useful English phrases.
Great.
I woke up early yesterday.
I watched a movie last night.
I visited my friend last weekend.
I finished my work yesterday.
I traveled to another city last month.
I enjoyed my vacation.
These phrases are very useful in daily conversations.
Yes, people use them all the time.
Let's summarize today's lesson.
We learned the past simple tense.
We use it to talk about completed actions in the past.
We practiced many real-life examples.
Keep using past simple when talking about yesterday, last week, or last year.
Practice every day.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in part 4.
Goodbye, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are learning the future simple tense.
That's exciting. We use future simple to talk about future plans, predictions, and decisions.
Exactly. Let's learn through a real-life conversation.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to work at 9 a.m.
What will you do after work?
I will go to the gym.
That sounds like a productive day. What will you do tomorrow?
I will finish an important project.
Will you work from home?
Yes, I will work from home.
Will you take any breaks?
Yes, I will take short breaks throughout the day.
That's a good idea.
Thank you.
What will you do this weekend?
I will visit my family.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you?
I will spend time with friends.
Will you go anywhere special?
Yes, we will visit a nearby beach.
That sounds relaxing.
I think the weather will be nice.
I hope so. Let's talk about future goals.
That's a great topic.
What will you achieve this year?
I will improve my English speaking skills.
That's an excellent goal.
I will practice English every day.
Consistency will help you succeed.
I believe so.
I will read more books this year.
What kind of books will you read?
I will read books about communication and leadership.
That sounds interesting.
Will you travel this year?
Yes, I will travel to a new country.
Which country will you visit?
I will visit Japan.
That's exciting.
I have always wanted to visit Japan.
Let me share a personal example.
Sure.
A few years ago, I decided to improve my English. I told myself I will practice every day. I will read books. I will watch English videos. I will speak English whenever possible.
That's a great strategy.
It helped me improve steadily.
That's inspiring.
Ha, that's true. The hardest part was waking up early to study.
Haha, that's true. Many learners struggle with that.
But small daily efforts create big results.
Absolutely.
Now let's learn some useful English phrases.
Great.
I will call you tomorrow.
I will finish my work tonight.
We will meet next week.
I will help you with your project.
They will arrive soon.
I think it will rain tomorrow.
These phrases are very common.
Yes, we use them frequently.
Let's summarize today's lesson.
We learned the future simple tense.
We use it for future plans, predictions, and decisions.
We practiced useful real-life examples.
Remember to use will when talking about the future.
Practice these sentences every day.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in part 5.
Goodbye, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are learning the present perfect tense.
This is an important tense because it connects the past with the present.
That's right. Let's learn through a real-life conversation.
Have you ever visited another country?
Yes, I have visited several countries.
Which country have you enjoyed the most?
I have enjoyed Japan the most.
Why have you enjoyed it so much?
Because I have experienced a beautiful culture and amazing food there.
That sounds wonderful. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have traveled abroad twice.
Have you learned anything from those trips?
Yes, I have learned a lot about different cultures.
Travel teaches many valuable lessons.
I completely agree.
Have you ever tried learning a new language?
Yes, I have studied English for several years.
Have you improved your speaking skills?
Yes, I have improved a lot.
That's excellent. Practice has helped me.
Have you finished all your work today?
Yes, I have finished all my tasks.
That's great.
Have you completed your work?
Yes, I have completed everything.
Now we can relax.
Exactly.
Have you ever met a famous person?
No, I haven't met a famous person.
Neither have I.
Maybe one day we will.
That would be exciting.
Have you ever lost your phone?
Yes, I have lost my phone once.
What happened?
I left it in a taxi.
Did you find it?
Fortunately, I have found it again.
That's lucky.
Very lucky.
Let me share a personal example.
Sure.
I have studied English for many years. I have read hundreds of books. I have watched many English videos. I have practiced speaking every day.
That's why your English is strong.
Thank you.
Consistency makes a big difference.
Absolutely.
That's true. Many people have started learning English, but not everyone has continued.
That's true. The people who continue usually improve the most.
I completely agree.
Now, let's learn some useful English phrases.
Great.
I have finished my homework.
I have completed my project.
I have visited Japan.
I have learned a lot.
I have improved my English.
I have never tried that before.
These phrases are very useful.
Yes, people use them often in daily conversations.
Let's summarize today's lesson.
We learned the present perfect tense.
We use it to connect past experiences with the present.
We practiced many real-life examples.
Remember the structure. Have or has plus the past participle.
Practice these sentences every day.
Thank you for joining us in this 5 Tenses Masterclass.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Keep practicing English every day.
Keep speaking with confidence.
Thank you for watching Mr. English Cast.
Goodbye, everyone, and see you in the next lesson.